Calling out to all animal lovers to tag along for this video. We think we might have just found the smartest pet monkey of them all. Look at how caring he is. This monkey even has his own goat friend. He makes sure to take care of it too. Now it's time to accompany him to greener pastures. Took the time to take a much-needed rest for himself as well. Look at his little orange outfit too. A little gentleman.